Conditional formatting in Google Sheets enables you to apply specific formatting to cells based on their content. It highlights important data points or trends using colors, icons, or data bars. Let's create a conditional formatting rule to highlight in green color all sales amounts greater than $125,000 in this sales report. First, I will select the cell range that contains the sales amounts achieved by the sales reps. Next, click Format on the menu bar. Finally, select Conditional Formatting. A Conditional Format Rules dialog box displays on the right side of the screen with various settings. We have the option to apply a single color or color scale to the conditional cells. Color scale use a gradient of colors to highlight values. In this simple example, we will stick with a single color. Next, the Apply to Range setting is where we specify the cell range to apply the conditional formatting rule to. As the first step, I selected the cell range C2 to C21 in the sales column. This is reflected here. You can also make changes to the cell range here if you need to. The format rules specify the rules or criteria for when the cells will be formatted. You can specify text, date, and numerical criteria. There is also an option to create custom formulas for more advanced needs. I will select greater than. Next, we need to specify the value. If the sales amount is greater than this value, the format rule will be met, and the sales amount will be formatted with the style we set in the next step. Let's set this value to $125,000. The final step is to set the formatting styles. There are choices to bold, italic, underline, color text, fill color, and more. The default fill color is green, which is fine. I will click Done. The conditional format rule is created. All the sales amounts above $125,000 are highlighted with a green fill color. We can now see which sales reps exceeded this amount. Alice Sanchez, Emma Chang, James Jackson, Isabella Moore, and Mia Lewis all exceeded $125,000 in sales. The conditional format rule is listed on the right side of the screen. If you want to remove the conditional formatting rule, you can click the trash can icon. I will leave this as is. In this lesson, you learned how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets.